Okay, now we're going to talk about everybody's favorite subject, outcomes. So now that we're moving towards outcome-based assessment, and we have places in gradebook where we can record a mark between 1 to 4 on when we attach our outcomes to an assessment, why not go ahead, and since we're going to be doing some of our marking in Moodle, why don't we just go ahead and attach those outcomes directly to the assessment right in Moodle so we can keep track of it? Well, good news, we can. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to access the Outcomes menu down here in the bottom left. And as you can see in my course right now, I have all my outcomes listed. And all I've done is I've listed the course and the number. So it's Module 1, Outcome 1. Module 1, Outcome 2, and so on. And it's simple to do. All you do is edit your outcomes down here. And if you want to add a new outcome, you just put it in, give it a full name, a short name, and a scale. So for scale, I'm using the rubric 4 to 1. So it gives me an option of 1 to 4, which is what we're marking our outcomes on in gradebook. And then you can put a description in. I don't usually bother because when I'm assigning an assessment, I already know which outcomes are going to be attached. So when you're done, just hit save, or in this case I already have all mine in, so I'm going to hit cancel. So we have all of our custom outcomes in, and you'll also notice that we do have a standard outcome across all of Moodle, which is our writing scale. But we're not going to worry about that at this point. So now once we are into our outcomes used in the course, we're going to leave writing as an available standard outcome because we don't need it. And inside of the course, you should have all of your custom outcomes listed that you put in. So now, when we go back to our main page and check on an assessment, so in this case, I'm going to look at my standard start of the semester About Me questionnaire assignment. And of course, don't forget to turn your editing on. Alright, so we get the About Me questionnaire assignment. We're going to pop into the settings. Now when we scroll down, you'll notice that we have an Outcomes section now. And we can tick off which ones we want. So I can apply 5.4 and 5.6 of the Business Tech 11 outcomes to this assignment. And all I have to do is hit save and return to course. Or save and display, whichever you want to do. Okay, now if I access my assignment, and I'm going to view and grade all because conveniently I've submitted my assignment. When we check our edit grading, you'll see the assignment's worth 2 points, so we can give it a mark. Well, let's say I got a 1.5 because I wasn't paying attention to the instructions. You'll also notice that we have our outcomes. So at 5.4, I can give myself a mark of 3, and 5.6, well, let's say I got a 4 because I was able to save the file and submit it. So just like that, we're able to attach and grade 2 outcomes to our assignment. And you'll see if we scroll over here, the final piece on the right is outcomes, and so we've got Business Tech 5.4 and 5.6. And if you wanted, you had multiple assignments in here, you can do all your grading and all your outcomes here so long as you have your quick grading turned on. Now when it comes time to put our grades in the gradebook, we can have these 2 outcomes attached, and as we put the grade in, we can also enter our outcome performances so that we'll get our data tabulated for the end of the semester. Okay, so that was outcomes in Moodle, and I hope it makes your life a little bit easier, and we'll see you in the next video.